What's up guys? Today we're gonna make some rainbow chicken wings out of resin. And yes, they have real bones on the inside. Step one was I grabbed some frozen breaded wings. Now it's time for our foam core mold. I took the chicken wing and drew a box around it where the walls are gonna go. While the wing is standing up, you wanna make sure there's enough room so it's not touching any of the lines. Next, we're gonna cut out the walls. Next, I took the hot glue gun and I made little chambers for each individual nugget mold. Here's just a quick example of what it's going to look like before I put the other walls in. Next, I took a little piece of clay and I rested the wing on top. Now to help the chicken wing stand up straight, I took some toothpicks and just poked it through the foam core wall just to help support it through the molding process. And it worked great. All the wings were completely standing up straight and not anywhere near the walls. Now it's time to mix up the silicone, which by the way, you get 32 ounces of this in the DANOCRACY Creator Kit. It's super easy to use. Whatever you pour of part A, which is the blue stuff, you pour the exact same amount of part B, which is this clear stuff. Then you're gonna mix it so it's one solid color. Now it's time to pour. I usually pour it high up and in one corner. Since we're working with something as detailed as a chicken wing, we're gonna let the silicone slowly rise up, submerging the chicken wing on its own. This is gonna fill in every crack and crevice without creating air bubbles. And make sure every single one is submerged by at least ½ inch of silicone. Four hours later, this stuff is gonna be fully cured and ready to demold. Once we've done that, we're gonna remove our clay, and then we're gonna cut a zigzag cut in our mold. This is one of the most effective techniques to get the airtight piece on the inside out. Now once our chicken wings have been removed, it's time to wash out our molds. So I poured some hot water and used some dish soap and just sort of cleaned out the inside to get rid of any of the extra breaded chicken that was in there. Now it's important these molds are super dry before putting any resin in. I just put in one piece of paper towel and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Next it was time to clean our chicken bones and then scraped off any remaining chicken. Once the bones were cleaned up and dry, I mixed up a batch of resin and poured it into 4 little dental cups. This is where we're gonna tint our resin. In the DANOCRACY Creator Kit, you're gonna get 8 different resin colors. Just make sure you give it a good shake before any use. This stuff is gonna last you so long. It's only gonna take 1 drop of resin tint to dye this entire cup translucent colors. Now, if we wanted it to be a solid color, you can do about 4 drops. Go ahead and stir that up. And now we've got our tinted, but still slightly transparent resin. Now it's back to the molds. Since we used the zigzag cut technique, you want to make sure you use rubber bands to keep that thing closed. Now it's time to pour in the resin. Fill the mold almost to the top and then put in our drumstick bone. And I did the same thing with the other drumstick mold. Fill it almost to the top and then submerge the chicken bone in. Now it's time for the wings. When we took the meat off the bones, these actually came apart, so I'm using super glue to keep the one end together. Once it was dried, I popped it in before pouring the resin for this one. And then I topped it up with resin. Now I'm gonna leave that for at least 12 hours to cure. And the next morning, they were ready to come out of their molds. And it works so good. Honestly, guys, I wasn't sure if this was gonna work when I was doing this, but that's where I have the fun. I was so amazed to see this idea come to life, and they all worked out so good. One of the best parts about doing a silicone mold is you can do this over and over again. And that's exactly what I did. I went in with some sprinkles, made some candy wings, and then I made another batch of what I like to call ghost wings, which are just see-through using the same mold. If you guys wanna be able to do this at home, you could pick up a DANOCRACY Creator Kit right now. Click the link in my bio. It's gonna come with everything you need. Be sure to like and follow for more fun DIYs, and I'll see you guys in the next one.